Irene finally caught her one. Got a nice one. I think we got a little bed in there. Maybe you can get another one. She'll hurry up and take that one off.
Go ahead.
I'll back her up in there and see if we can
102.5.
watch her catch another one.
Wonderful life can be.
Come on around, Irene. We're still filming, so get your line right. There you go. Got him another one on that fly rod. Oh boy, look at him go. Yeah, another Queen Anne brim. What kind of bait we using now, Irene?
The one and only Bluegill.
The one and only. Well, we done got in here on top of the bed, messing with this camera. Let me pull out, maybe you can get another one. There you go. Music in the background being furnished by 102.5 The Shark. Throw it on in that hole where the brim are. We ain't got much. Can't be cussing when you're on film now. There he is. Pull him out of there. Ain't quite as big as they've been being, but he's getting it. Another nice Queen Anne brim. Ain't it fun?
It is when you go around and catch one.
I think we may have enough
Then all of a sudden,
film left to catch one more. We're gonna go out here and see if we can watch him hit it bait. Zoom right in on that bait. Little jerks.